Here's how you can fix a blurry camera that's not focusing on your iPhone. First, swipe up to open the recent apps and close the camera app. If the issue persists, restart your iPhone. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Next, go to Settings, tap General, scroll down, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. Lastly, check for a software update. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and install any available update. Also, gently clean the camera lens with a microfiber cloth. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.